I just wanted to let you know this is the best water hose I've ever owned. Can you get the name there? It's Flexzilla. Okay. All right. I'm 65 years old. I'm in construction, and this is the best water hose I've ever had. And so I highly recommend it. And I'm not being paid or nothing. I just have it, and I'm just passing it on to y'all. But they make two kinds. One has the quick connector. I would get that because then everything you put on it has to be quick connect. I would get just the regular water hose. And I mean, I think I paid $40 at Walmart for it. Lowe's has it. But anyway, this is the Flexzilla hose. And it rolls up so nice, and you can run over it. I mean, it's strong. It holds a lot of pressure because I've used it under pretty heavy pressure. And it's so much easier to roll up than the old style water hoses. So anyway, I just thought I'd give it a plug right quick, give y'all a good tip. And like I say, I'm 65. I've used water hoses for decades, and this one is my favorite. And I won't buy anything else. All right, y'all take care.